Hey, check it out. Looks like I got my tips frosted. Huh. Oh, my gloves froze up. I always got to bring an extra pair of liners. Well, I'll tell you what, I've worked up a bit of an appetite and I'm excited for dinner. I've got shish kebabs and couscous. Having both of these stoves going in here is heating things up a little bit.